Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Images and typing precise keywords. This narrows results and saves time. Once the preview pane appears, click the image to reveal the larger view and context. Make sure you avoid tiny thumbnails by selecting the preview that loads on the right. That reveals the image source and basic controls. If you are signed into an account, keep privacy needs in mind, but otherwise continue directly to the image details shown in the larger viewer. Once you have the large preview visible, right-click the image on desktop or long press on mobile to reveal actions like Copy Image Address or Open in New Tab. If you pick Open in New Tab, you'll see the direct file URL in the address bar. Copy it to the clipboard. If the option is disabled or the image is embedded, use Inspect element to find the img tag and copy the src attribute. This handles most cases where the URL isn't directly exposed. You finish by pasting the copied URL into a new tab to verify it points to the image file. This ensures you didn't grab a page URL. If the URL opens a web page instead of the file, go back and use Open Image in New Tab or Inspect to copy the file's src. Make sure to check for blocked hot linking or access errors. If the image won't load, try a different size or the hosting domain. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.